CPA, Certified Public Accountant, the Chartered Accounting of US. Now, whether you are a student who's just completed his bachelor's or is pursuing his MCom, or you've completed your CA, or even maybe you're looking for an alternative to CA, CPA might just be the right course for you with only 4 papers that you can complete in less than a year. Companies such as the Big Four in India hire you at the same level as that of a CA, and you have opportunities to travel to other countries such as US or Canada and build your entire career over there. At Zell, we have an entire pool of faculty members, all who are qualified CPAs themselves working in India. We have an academic team which is out there to help you not only with all your doubts but also to give you feedback on your test and mocks, so hopefully you'll clear CPA in the first go. We also have batches which are catered and customized to your requirements. Whether you just like to study on weekends, or you like an in-depth hand-holding session which goes on for 4 times a week, or you just like self-paced learning, everything is available for you guys. For any other help that you require on the program, or you need help with placements, or you'd like to sit for a free demo, feel free to visit us on www.zelleducation.com. Reach out to us and we'll help you just like we will help thousands of other students.